This is a 9-in-1 electric cleaning brush to help you clean your home in a fast, organized, and clean way. How do I open it? Oh, there we go. And what you get, a small pad, a large pad. Congratulations on purchasing this and giving us your money. An instruction manual. This has got to be the brush head, and this has got to be the brushing pole. Let's do a little installation real quick. Just screw those two halves together. Anything else? Oh, there is more. This is a bag to put all the accessories in. Lovely. This one in there, this one in there. Owner's manual if you wanted to. We'll just set that there for now. We got this very cushy and soft pad. Is that like your buffing pad? We'll find out. In the accessory bag, this is your brush. It's gonna scrub your floor nice and clean. In the bag, this has a Velcro half on it, which I would assume, yep, 6 the other pads there. So this is a spongy thing to clean your floor with a sponge. Put that in there. Oh, this is like a Scotch-Brite. How do you say that? Scotch-Brite. So if you have some nasty floors going on in your house, you're probably gonna wanna use that one. In the bag, 2 smaller brushes in the bag. This thing, which I'll figure out what that is in just a minute, in the bag. And then this is just gonna go right here. It is gonna go right there. And then you can just hang that up to store it if you like. That's fun. USB-C cord. This is a rechargeable mop. That goes in this gray part. And that's how you charge it up. And that's it. I'm gonna go plug this in, charge it up, and then show you how it works. Okay, we got a spot here on our bathroom floor, or tile. The grout, it should be white, and by this doggy door, our little tiny dog likes to make the grout brown here. Gonna spray some of this on it, and then we also got stains. Put that on there, and then for the grout, we're gonna switch out to this one. A little bit tricky to hold from very back in, but there you go. There's your scrubber.
Thanks.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you not like it?
I don't like the pole. I don't think I'd ever use it. I would just use this.
You ditched the pole?
I ditched the pole.
Yeah, unscrew it from the pole and just...
I have all control.
That's a lot easier to manage like that.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, babes.